Every ALMEMO sensor can be plugged into any ALMEMO device and is immediately ready to be measured, as the sensors are completely programmed upon delivery. The programming of the sensor is stored in the EEPROM of the connector and determines how the signal from the sensor is to be processed by the instrument in order to obtain the desired display. In addition, measuring point designations, limit values and many other informations can be stored. Unintended changes to the programming can be undone in the ALMEMO control by loading the original programming of the ALMEMO connector. In the same menu, it is possible to make a backup of the individual modified programming for a possible later restoration of the customized programming. D6 and D7 probes have predefined programming that can only be changed in a reasonable way. The programming of these sensors is done in the sensor menu as shown in another video. Standard probes, that are all probes except D6 and D7, can be put into delivery state in the following way. We put the sensor as the only sensor on an ALMEMO device, turn it on and connect it to the computer. We open the ALMEMO control program and search for the connected device. In the Edit menu, we click on Measuring Point List. We double-click on one of the channels of the connector. Next, in the File menu, we click on Load Default Programming or Backup. The files for the connector's original programming are located in the installation directory of the ALMEMO control in the folder std procs. We click on the file which is labeled with the sensor designation and has the extension AS0. We click Open. If we want to make a backup copy of the previous programming store of the connector, we will specify a storage location and name. This way we can save customized connector programming on the PC and reload it later into the ALMEMO connector. Such a backup is strongly recommended in case of calibrated or corrected sensors. To complete the programming, we enter the 4-digit PIN in order to avoid an unintended programming. This completes the restoration of the original connector programming.